Okay, so today we're going to take a look at the balcony of a 2-bedroom oceanfront villa at Marriott Oceana Palms, right after this. Welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and before we get started, taking a look at this 2-bedroom oceanfront balcony. If you like timeshare tips, villa tours, resort reviews, industry news, be sure to click that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I post new timeshare related videos. So let's get ready and jump right into this and take a look at this 2-bedroom oceanfront villa balcony that we have here at Marriott Oceana Palms. Now the first thing that you will notice when you go to open the door, they almost open up to the entire living room area. It is a huge, wide door, goes out onto the patio, so almost like an extension of the living room that's behind me. Okay, so let's go out and take a look, and we'll close the door behind me so I don't waste any energy with the air conditioning. But that is pretty cool. The doors open up right out to the other side. Man, they're heavy also. So it is actually quite windy here, but we're on the north side of the tower and kind of cutting off the wind a little bit, so it's not too bad out here on our patio. But look at that view out to the Atlantic Ocean. That's pretty fantastic. And we have a view down here also of the pool area. We're actually on the 8th floor of the Sunrise Tower. And this right here is actually the master bedroom. And then around in the middle is another unit that is in that kind of center stack that goes up the oceanfront units here at Oceana Palms. But that's a pretty impressive view out to the Atlantic Ocean. Quite a bit of wave action today because of the wind. We've had a fair bit of rain as well. But we also have a real great view of the pools down below in the era of social distancing and the rain. And the weather right now, there's only a handful of people down there. But let's take a look at what we have to take advantage of on this balcony. A very large 4-chair table there, a nice big table, 4 chairs. This unit will accommodate up to, I believe, maybe even 8 people. So there's 4 chairs out here. There's also a large lounge chair over here as well, and then out around the corner, a couple chairs and a little stool there, and a small table, just if you want to sit at the side. And here's some other condominium complexes next door, and you can see their pool area down there as well. And then the beach walks, the paths that go out to the beach. So this is a pretty magnificent balcony that they have here at Oceana Palms. And I'm also noticing down below, right below us here, this is the 7th floor. We actually had one of these, a 7th floor oceanfront corner unit back in 2012. These balconies are actually extended a little bit further beyond the rest of the balconies that are above it. So we actually do have a fair bit extra room down there on those balconies that are on the 7th floor. So all of the other balconies up above are a little bit shorter. They don't stick out quite as far. I'm not sure why they didn't do them all that way, but it's kind of a good thing if you're on the 7th floor. And that is actually the lowest floor with villas. So as you can see there, it's a pretty magnificent balcony that we have here at Marriott Oceana Palms. It's definitely not one of the largest that we've ever had at a Marriott timeshare unit, but truth be told, I would probably put this in our top 3 balconies at a Marriott timeshare. Maybe I'll do a video of our top 5, maybe even just top 3, but there's a couple other ones out there that are far and away much better than this one. So definitely a nice balcony out here and a great view from the 8th floor here at Marriott Oceana Palms. And it is pretty spectacular. Now if just the weather will cooperate a little bit, it would be even better. But we're definitely taking advantage of the balcony here a fair bit, sitting out here and just relaxing. It is well covered, so it you don't really get a lot of rain onto it. There's a little bit of water down here on the ground where it's been raining a little bit, but otherwise it's pretty good. So definitely one of our top 3 balconies at a Marriott Vacation Club. So if you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.